Hi friends, hope you all are well. If you are a YouTube creator, then this video is going to be very important for you. In this video, I will tell you how you can bring costly views on your videos and how you can rank your videos properly. For this, you have to use Google AdWords, and along with this, Google Keyword Planner will also have to be used properly. Friends, I have already made a video in that topic. In that video, I explained in detail how do you create a Google AdWords account and how to use Keyword Planner and how to use Google AdWords tools. And also, I told in that video how to use Google AdWords editor and how to log into Google AdWords and how to find expensive keywords with Keyword Planner. And also I told how to use these keywords in titles and how to use keywords in descriptions and tags. Friends, I have shared the link of this video in the description, and I hope that after watching this video you will be able to use Keyword Planner properly. And if you still want to ask anything, then you can ask from the comments. I'll give you the answer, and I request you to subscribe the channel. And how to earn more on less views, my next video will be about this. Thank you for watching this video.